All right, with this video, I'm going to show you how to get your link to your capture page. Okay, so if you've already joined Save Club and you're kind of going through the back office a little bit after logging in, getting yourself familiar, getting your username, your password, you need to do a couple things. And with this video, I want you to get the link that you give people so they can watch a short video and make up their mind. Do they want to sign as an affiliate or as a member? It's very important to get your link. And then also I want to show you, and this is important because every day someone brings this up to me. How do I get paid? How do I, what's going on? Like my banking or cryptocurrency or what? And I go, just relax. Okay. This is easy. So first of all, thanks for watching my videos. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. Okay. Go ahead. This is the page. I want you to watch this video and I want you to put your name right into here. Click, boom, that orange button. You're going to get some more information about Save Club and you're going to get an email where you can join if you'd like. Okay, now if you have already joined, log in. Okay, let's just go to the home page. You'll see this couple smiling. Okay, scroll down and do you see where it says My Websites? There's only 2 available right now. There will be more as each month, goes on and on to the break of dawn. But right now there's a general video that just tells you about Save Club. Do not use this video. Go to the second one where it says Powerline Landing Page. Okay, it'll say Save Club Tour. If you notice, the first one just says Save Club, not this one. You want people to go on a tour. Okay, here is your custom link. You can post this link wherever you'd like. You can give it to people to invite them to click it so that it does go to this capture page where you're capturing people's information. But that's how you find it. Okay, so let's repeat. Log into saveclub.com, go to My Websites, go to the second video, boom. Now, if you notice my link right there, boom, that's what I gave to GoDaddy. So when I called GoDaddy and I said, hey, I want to buy ilovesaveclub.com, they're like, okay, give me 11 bucks and 95 pennies. And then for free, I said, just forward it to this link right here. All right, that's how I do all my businesses. I get a fun domain. All right, and I've already bought 4 or 5 with saveclub.com. I've sold all that up. And I'll use them down the road. But right now I'm having really good success with ilovesaveclub.com. So I get business cards at Vistaprint for 20 bucks. I get my domain of ilovesaveclub.com. And all I do is just forward it to the capture page. Okay, so this is important, guys. You really need to get your link memorized where to find it. Okay, so just remember My Websites. It's the second video down. And right there, even if you don't get GoDaddy domain, even if you don't make business cards, guys, that's it right there. Once you pay the 60 bucks to be an affiliate in the $19.97, you can join for the year too, which I suggest you do because you get VIP status and you make way more commissions. But anyway, there's your link. Now, one thing I'm just going to add to this video because this is a short one. All right, go to the side of your menu here and it's going to say My Earnings. Please go to select your payment. There's 2 ways to select. One is your bank, like Visa, debit card, same thing. If it says Visa on your debit card or MasterCard, Discover card, okay, you're going to link your bank account to this Save Club opportunity. Because every Friday when you get paid, you're going to tell this company by selecting your payment option how to do it. Now you can do cryptocurrency too, and that's where a credit wallet comes in. So there's a drop-down box, just either pick your bank or cryptocurrency. Okay, a lot of countries like Philippines, Guam, Ghana, they're all on my downline in another company I'm in called Live Good, and they use cryptocurrency. It's a lot easier than banks. So please do that too. Get your link by going to My Websites. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Go to the second video. There's your link right there. Boom. And then please, afterwards, just mosey on down and go to My Earnings. Click Select My Payment. Right there, select your payment option, and boom. That way you have a link, and when you start earning money, even while you figure this out, take a week, you might be confused and go, oh, I don't know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go through videos like this every day, guys. I'm making 3, 5, 7 videos. Yesterday, I think I made 10. Okay, but we need to help each other out. That's the deal. Because when we have a team, when you're joining my team, I realize that my value is if I do know a lot of things, I need to teach you. I need to tell you what to do. And it's easier for me to make one video because when I have hundreds, if not thousands of people asking me questions, and I help people that aren't even in my downline, I'm going to send you a link to a video that says, okay, here's how you configure your bank or your crypto. Here's how you find your website link. All right, that capture page. Okay, here's how I go to GoDaddy. This is how I make business cards. Okay, very easy. Here's how I post on social media. Okay, little tidbits of information. I like to do that. I see big value in doing that. Okay, all right, guys, I'm at 5 minutes and a half. All right, that's a short video for me to come in at 6. So anyway, thanks a ton, guys. All right, for watching my videos. I love saveclub.com. All right, please go ahead, pre-enroll. Go to that page there, put your name. You don't have to join yet, but just watch this YouTube video off to the left. Okay, and we'll figure it out, okay? I have a lot of people every day. So far, so good. It's bright and early right now. You can see yesterday I had 6 people pre-enroll, and 6 people said, hey, I'm going to go ahead and join. But you can see by keeping things fun, 5, 2, 5, 4, 6, I have a real nice consistent flow. I have no doubt that by this afternoon, I'll probably have 5, 6 people pre-enrolled and maybe another 4 to 6 people signed up. Okay, let's just make this real simple, come up with a real fun routine, and I have no doubt that you're going to really enjoy Save Club, okay? All right, guys, that's it. I am done. This is a short video for me. Normally mine are 10, 20, or 30 minutes. So peace and love, guys. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Talk to you soon.